Okay guys, welcome back to Blazing Trader. I'm back with another video and I want to withdraw my tournament winnings today. So I'm going to show you my balance. It says $776. This is money that I've won in the tournament as prize money. So let's quickly go to the withdrawal section. So let's go to the cashier. Once I'm in the cashier, I'll show you. Here we go. I want to withdraw $600 from my current balance. So I'm going to enter $600 and I will enter my details and my bank account, obviously hiding things for privacy reasons. What's this? It says withdrawing unavailable. Your withdrawals are paused due to a security check. To find out the cause, please contact us at support@Binomo. We'll look into the issue as soon as possible. So here we go, guys. They are saying I cannot withdraw the money because there is a security check that needs to be undergone, and I don't know what's going to happen, guys. I'm not sure. This is the first withdrawal from Binomo. It looks sketchy, but I'm trying to be as positive as possible. So I will show you guys. I will send them an email and I will show you the email, and let's see if I really get my money. I will make a video about it and I will let you guys know. But so far, that is how Binomo tournaments work. I have been able to win a tournament. I have been able to credit the tournament winnings to my real account, and I have been able to withdraw the money. But here is the obstacle. So let's see if they really check my account, if they really verify it and they'll send me my withdrawal or not. I'll get back to you. If you want to know what happens, please subscribe to the channel Blazing Trader, and I will be seeing you guys with the update for this withdrawal. See you all soon, and thanks for watching.